Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product that's perfect for all you DIY enthusiasts and furniture lovers out there. We're talking about the styleonme Waterbased Wood Paint Repair Kit, the best paint for wood chairs available in the market. Here it is, folks. The styleonme Waterbased Wood Paint Repair Kit. This kit is a game changer when it comes to giving your wooden furniture a fresh, new look. Whether it's chairs, tables, wardrobes, or doors, this kit has got you covered. Let's dive right into why this paint kit is a must-have. It's water-based, which means it's eco-friendly and safe to use indoors. No more harmful fumes or toxic gases to worry about during the drying process. The kit includes everything you need, from gloves to brushes, rollers, masking film, and sandpaper. They've thought of everything to make your project easy and enjoyable. No need for grinding or complex preparations. Just open the can and start painting, it's that simple. Plus, it dries quickly, so your furniture renovation won't take forever. The finish is semi-matte, giving your furniture a stylish and durable look. It's fade-resistant, scratch-resistant, and stain-resistant. Your furniture will look as good as new for years to come. Now, let's talk about how to use this kit. Start by mixing the water-based paint with a bit of clear water to get the desired consistency. Then, use the included brush and roller to apply the paint to your wooden furniture. It's so easy that anyone can do it. Thanks to its 2-hour surface drying technology, your furniture will be ready in no time. If you have a bit more patience, waiting a full day for complete curing is the ideal choice. So, why should you choose this styleonme Wood Paint Repair Kit? It's a cost-effective way to breathe new life into your old furniture, saving you money on buying new pieces. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, renters, and homeowners looking to revamp their space. With multiple color choices, like this elegant sage green, you can customize your furniture to match your style. In summary, the styleonme Water-Based Wood Paint Repair Kit is your go-to solution for furniture renovation. It's eco-friendly, easy to use, and leaves your wooden furniture with a stunning, long-lasting finish. Plus, with all the tools included, you have everything you need to get started. So, if you're ready to transform your wooden chairs, tables, or any furniture in your home, click the link in the description below to get your very own styleonme Wood Paint Repair Kit today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews, and leave us a comment if you've used this kit before. We'd love to hear about your DIY success stories. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Until next time, happy painting!